Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix Battleshift crashing after splash screen on PC.
Fix 1. Verify game files. Step 1. Steam Library. Right-click Battlefield 6 Properties. Local Files. Verify integrity. Step 2. EA App My Games. Battlefield 6 Prepare. Step 3. Launch the game. Fix 2. Disable overlays. Step 1. Steam Properties. Disable Steam Overlay. Step 2. EA App Settings. Disable Overlay. Step 3. Launch the game. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click Battlefield. 6 Properties Compatibility Check. Run this program as administrator. Step 2. Apply. Launch the game. Fix 4. Clear temporary files. Step 1. Press Windows R%temp% to delete all files. Step 2. Restart PC. Launch Battlefield 6.